Hello students, this is a preview of lesson 1.10.3. Let's see what this lesson is all about. Today we will work on your English conversation and reading skills. We begin dialogues 28 to 30 from our English course, American English Conversations 1. Designed for beginners, these dialogues help English learners improve their comprehension and communication skills. You're encouraged to read along and pronounce together with the video below. Once you finish, don't forget to share what you've learned via the comment section below. So part 1, read the dialogues below in English, then translate them using the translator here on the right-hand side, and read them in your primary language. Okay? So, let's read these dialogues together. Dialogue 28, pastimes. What do you do in your spare time? Oh, nothing special. I read, watch TV, go to the movies. Don't you have any hobbies like stamp collecting or things like that? No, I don't have any hobbies. How about you? I have just one, photography. It's expensive, but it's a lot of fun. Okay, then we have dialogue 29. Weddings. Guess what? Paul and Susan are engaged. Really? When did that happen? A week ago. They met last summer, and now just think, they'll be married soon. Have they set a date for the wedding? No, not yet, but Susan says they'd like to get married in November or December. Then they'll go to Hawaii for their honeymoon. Okay. And then we have dialogue 30, effort. I give up. I simply can't learn French. Why do you say that? I think you're making a lot of progress. No, I'm not. I try, and I still can't speak it very well. Learning any language takes a lot of effort, but don't give up. Why don't we practice these dialogues together? Good idea. That just might help. So after you read this in English, please translate into your primary language so you can understand this fully. After that, there is part 2. Watch, read along, and pronounce with the video below a minimum of 2 to 3 times. After you finish, let us know what you learned via the comment section below. Okay? So do your best. Watch the video and pronounce together with the video so you improve your American English pronunciation as well as your English reading comprehension. Thank you very much for working so hard. Until next lesson, see you soon.